part number 2. For this problem, we need to know how to add integers quickly and how to convert units, in this case from centimeters to inches. The first step is going to be adding up centimeters of rain, because that is what our table has, is the centimeters. And 2 will be convert to inches. We're going to have to convert our answer in centimeters into inches. Okay, so there are 2 steps. So for the first step, let's add up the centimeters of rain. I'm going to write them all out just in a line so that we can add straight down. Okay, so sometimes I like to group, like 9 and 1 is 10, 8 and 2 is another 10, so that's 20, 4 and 5 is 9, which makes 29, carry the 2, 3. Okay, so you should have gotten 39 centimeters of rain. Alright, you can add this however you want, but you should know how to add, a long list of numbers. Okay, now we're going to convert to inches. And the way I like to do this, we are given the conversion rate. And I'm going to write it as a fraction. So it's 0.39 inches is 1 centimeter. So whenever you're converting, just make 2 fractions. The one fraction will be the conversion rate, which is how many of one unit equals the other unit. So 0.39 inches equals 1 centimeter as you're given. And you're going to set that equal to what you're looking for, which is 39 centimeters is x, or how many, or whatever variable, inches. The only thing you need to know is that the units have to be in the same place. So the inches have to be on top, centimeters on bottom, in this case. Okay, wherever they go, they have to be inches in the same place, centimeters in the same place. Alright, so now to solve, when you have 2 fractions that equal each other, you want to cross multiply. So for this one, you have 0.39 times 39. And this way, we have 1 times x. Alright, and I like to set up my ratios, my conversions this way, because you can just solve for x, and that's going to be your answer. Because that will solve for what 39 centimeters equals in terms of inches. So now, 1 times x just equals x. Right? So that side is done. Now, to solve this part, you are just going to have to multiply. So it's 0.39 times 39. Alright, so when you're multiplying with the decimal, you just multiply and then you deal with the decimal at the very end. So you're just going to multiply this like normal. So I'm just going to do it out. So just do it out yourself and then check it when you are all done. And remember that when you have a decimal, when you're multiplying, like I said, you deal with it at the end. That means that you count however many places the decimal is over in the question, and then you move it over that many times in the answer, like I did here. So the answer is 15.21 inches. And that is the first step, adding it up the way it's given, and then converting to inches, you get 15.